Planning a garden-themed party soon? Gather round, green thumbs and party planners alike. This is your guide to transforming an everyday garden into an enchanting party venue. Because with careful and creative planning, every event can be unforgettable. Excited to create a memorable experience? So let's dive into the first step. First things first, choose your theme. There are so many to choose from, like a whimsical fairy garden or an elegant English rose garden. Picking a theme that resonates with you and your guests will set the mood. Some other popular choices are tropical oasis or rustic country garden. Once you've picked your theme, it's time to move to the next step. Next up, plan your decorations. Remember, your theme is your guide. Opt for decorations that harmonize with your chosen theme. Consider utilizing natural elements like flowers and plants, adding an authentic garden feel to your party. With your decorations planned, you're ready for the next stage. Now, let's talk about food and drink. These can also reflect your theme. Choose refreshments that embody the spirit of your chosen motif. Consider using fresh seasonal ingredients for an authentic garden vibe. Now that you've planned your food and drinks, you're almost ready to host your party. And there you have it, the steps to planning the perfect garden-themed party. From selecting a captivating theme, to arranging delightful decorations, to curating a feast of food and drink. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more party planning tips. Happy planning!